Now, let's get started. I can't tell, even after leveling up this much, what kind of beast awaits me on the other side of these doors.
Unleash
I can't believe he's able to move that fast with armor on. Something about him is different from everyone else. He's stronger than I imagined. This is the end! Too slow.
I'll back you up. With pride!
I see it all.
Won't get away!
Counterattack.
An open up! With pride! I'll back you up.
I see it all.
It's no use!
I'll end it.
Now! With pride! Flame spear!
I need a break.
I'll back you up.
Too slow. This is
The end!
not yet.
I haven't lost it!
I can't let you.
Take this from me!
You're an unworthy opponent.